Hello, everybody. Today we'll be having a discussion on wastewater discharge permit, and this is a continuing PCO education hosted by JP Environment Consultancy Services. I am Engineer Jeric Picasso, and I am environmental consultant. This morning we'll be discussing the importance of the DNR discharge permit. But before we continue, let me share a good video. In this video, you can see a direct wastewater discharge to the environment. Why we need to regulate this discharge and why we need to have a discharge permit. Discharge permit is very important because it is a permit to regulate and control the discharge of pollutants into the environment. It applies to various industries, including manufacturing, mining, and wastewater treatment facilities. Let's go to the importance of the discharge permit. One importance of the wastewater discharge permit is environmental protection. Why? Environmental protection is the primary reason for the issuance of the discharge permit. It ensures that any discharge into air, water, or soil meets stringent environmental standards, and this prevents pollution of our natural resources and helps preserve biodiversity. Another important aspect of the issuance or acquisition of the discharge permit is compliance with applicable environmental laws and regulations, particularly the Republic Act 9275 or the Philippine Clean Water Act. The permit demonstrates compliance with environmental laws and regulations. It signifies that businesses are operating within legal limits and are committed to environmental stewardship. Non-compliance can lead to fines, penalties, or legal actions. Another importance of the DNR wastewater discharge permit is monitoring and control. The DNR discharge permit includes specific conditions and limits on what can be discharged. This allows regulatory authorities to monitor and control pollutants effectively. It ensures that emissions or effluents do not exceed safe levels that could harm ecosystems or public health. Another key aspect of the wastewater discharge permit is the risk management. Why? By requiring a permit, the DNR can assess potential risk associated with industrial activities. This prompts industries to adopt measures like advanced technologies or wastewater treatment processes to minimize negative environmental impact. One more thing for the importance of a wastewater discharge permit is the public awareness and transparency. Anyone can request for a copy of your discharge permit or any application filed in the DNR Environmental Management Bureau to determine your compliance. Transparency and public awareness are promoted through the permit process. This foster trust and accountability in how industries manage their wastewater and the discharge practices. Lastly, the importance of the wastewater discharge permit is legal authorization. The DNR discharge permit provides legal authorization to discharge specific pollutants within the prescribed limits. It distinguishes between responsible environmental practices and unauthorized pollution, ensuring fair competition among businesses. And therefore, for me, as to my conclusion, the DNR discharge permit is not just a regulatory requirement. It is a cornerstone of environmental sustainability and responsible corporate citizenship. It protects our environment, ensures compliance with laws, promotes transparency, and supports sustainable development. I would be happy to answer any questions you may have about the DNR discharge permit and its significance in environmental management and regulations. I am Engineer Jeric Picasso, an environmental consultant. Protect the environment, protect life. Thank you very much for listening and for watching this video.